Hello everyone. It is time once again to color my hair. I'm not going to be bleaching it today because I don't mind the roots being a little bit darker, and we are doing red and blue, so a little bit of pinky purple that's left in my hair won't really make a difference. So what I'm going to do is start by just cleaning up the sides and trimming the front a little because a little uneven and a little long. So I'll get started on that. Oh yes, and I actually got myself a hair cutting kit. So no more using paper scissors for my hair. Alrighty, got the sides trimmed up. So now it's time to start dyeing it. What I'm going to do is split it down the middle and do a split dye. Half red, half blue. So now I gotta find the middle. Ow. I washed it and did not condition it because that's what the dye says to do. So now my hair is very, very tangly. I'm gonna try to get it as even as possible. Hair curls in weird ways. I don't know why it does that. It's like, what is that? The rest isn't curly. Woo! It is super uneven. Yeah, you can see that. It's a good thing I checked in the mirror. Okay, so I think that's close enough. It's not perfect, but I doubt I'm ever going to be able to get it perfect. Picked up a bunch of cheap gloves at the dollar store, so yeah, I got a pack of 100 for only $1, so that'll be good for my hair coloring. So I'm going to start with the red. And here we go. All right, the red side is done. Time to move on to the blue side. All right, the dye is in. I'm gonna let this process for like half hour to an hour, and then I'll wash it out and dry it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Guys, I love it. Look at it. Oh man. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? I've never had split dye before, and I like it a lot. Oh. I love how vibrant the blue turned out too. Red could have been a little more vibrant, but could have just been the shade that I picked from the brand. But yeah, I love how this turned out. Probably do split dye more often. All right, well, let me know in the comments what you guys think. And let me know if you have any ideas for color combinations you want me to try. I'm thinking for fall, I'm gonna do this side black and this side pumpkin orange. So be looking forward to that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Oh, I love this so much. Bye-bye.